The task is to create a simple form using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which will send data to Telegram. I already did it manually, so today I'm wondering how to do it without writing the code and styles myself. Today I want to show you this way how you can create a simple form using GPT chat. What we need before start: a code editor, a Telegram bot. We'll also need a bot token and a chat ID. Okay, let's go to GPT. I will show you the questions already asked in the GPT chat, so as not to waste time on this now, and the results that I got. Let's start by asking the basic question that interests us: how to make a form. We get answers and choose the one that interests us the most and which we need to implement. Okay, I prefer HTML form. We talk about it in the chat. They immediately select a basic example for us. I didn't correct it and immediately copied it to my index.html. This is it. Okay, let's come back to GPT. So this is the form. This is the comments. And you can add more fields and validation as per your requirement. Next, we are advised to use styles and decorate our form a bit. So again, I ask you to make simple styles with a black background of the form, and that is it in the center. I copy these styles to my file style CSS. Okay. The result is such a simple form with simple styles. So next I ask to do a validation with JavaScript, and finally I ask how to send data from a form to a Telegram bot using JavaScript. This method is not entirely safe, which is what the chat warns us about. Therefore, I would not recommend using it in serious projects, but he's working. Well, we got a basic form with the help of HTML, CSS, where we only copied the code suggested from the chat. Further validation and JavaScript for sending data to Telegram. Note that for each example, GPT explains where and what it uses and gives recommendations. Let's test it. So the name is let it be test, mail and password. Submit, and everything is working.